Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Neeraj Sharma. Today I am going to tell you about some formulas. Let's do fast. Go to all program and open the MS Excel. Here MS Excel and first I will tell you about some sum square formula. Like suppose I have two some digits here like 2 5 6 7 8 and 9, and you want to do square all the digits, and you want to add all these digits after squaring. Like I'll give you the example: 2 2s are 4, and 5 5s are 25, and 6 is a 36, and 7 7 is 49, and 8 8 is 64, and 9 9 is 81. And if you want to do plus, then apply the formula sum and select all these digits and then bracket, then enter. It will give you the result like this. So this is the sum square formula. Actually, sum square formula, not sum square formula. Sum square formula is this: equal to sum sq, and select all these digits and bracket close, enter. Now you can see the result is same. So this is the sum square formula, sum sq. Next is, if I have some digits, some prices, like these all are the rate, some items: 75, 84, 96, 31, 24, 76, 84, and 46. Suppose if you want to do plus for all these digits, but there is one condition. I want to add only those digits which is less than um, 50. So you can apply the sum if formula here: equal to sum if, bracket, then select the series, and comma, then give the condition in double quote, like is greater than or equal to 50, then double quote is close and bracket close, then enter. So just you can see less than less than 50. So less than 50, this one 45, and less than 50, this is also 31, and this is also 24, and this is also 46. Fine. And oh, I'm sorry, this is the greater than 50. uh, while I was telling you about the less than 50, so you will have to, I'm sorry, you will have to less than equal to 50, then it will give you the result. And here you can also see this result: equal to sum, bracket, and select all the digits, then enter. So result is same. Fine. So this is the formula of sum if. And next formula is sum ifs. Here I am making the table: item, quantity, and rate. Item A B C, and B, like this, and many items I have repeated here. Just because of this, I'm telling you later about this, why I did this. So give the quantity: 4, 6, 7, whatever it is, 9, and 4, 7, and 6, and 4 again. Rate is rate is 86, 75, 94, 58, 43, 36, 61, and 76, and 49, and one more, 46. Okay, now the condition is this. I want to add these rates, but there is condition. I will add only for A item or B item only for. But I want to add B item. Suppose I want to add the rate of only the B item. So you will apply the formula sum ifs bracket, because you want to add these rates. So first you will have to select this, then give the comma, and now select the item range. Here this is item range, then comma, then double quote, apply the double quote, and in double quote you will write B, because B item I want to take. So next quantity, and quantity is comma, and quantity is less than greater than or equal to B. Here is 6 and is 3 8. So condition is 6 I should take. This is the example. So I'm applying here like this. Okay, I want to do B items rate. I want to do plus B item rates here, and what I did here, sum ifs. First I selected this rate criteria, and then I selected this item criteria, then apply this only for B item, and then give the quantity, select this criteria quantity, then give the condition here is greater than or equal to 6. If you will press the enter, you can take the result like this. So I should check here for B, because it's matching, because it's greater than 5. Here I am applying this 6, sorry, 6 and greater than 6. So this is clear 75, and what is another, but here this is not matching, because its quantity is 3, so it will not take in addition, but its quantity 43, so I'll take this 43 and do the sum and take the result like this, sum, and do the plus like this. So result is same, you can see. So these all are the formula that is really very important for advanced Excel, and as well as you can also apply here for average ifs. Suppose just you will have to change the formula is it will remain same, but you can change here average and average ifs, then enter. So you can take the average of for two digits 75 and 43. Fine. So these are the formulas of sum. Clear? I think so you like my videos, and please, if you like this, subscribe my videos, and uh, as well as you can click on my bell icon button if I'm uploading a new videos, so you can watch my new videos. It will give you the intimation for that whenever I am uploading my new videos. So thank you very much for today, and remember, subscribe my videos, please, it is my request. Thank you very much. Thank you.